I took a drill. You can see there's a socket right there, a couple washers, a nut with a washer built into it. The washers will help you so it doesn't become friction tight as you're tightening this. Get enough tension on it, then go to the other side and beat the piss out of it. Then you come back, tighten this a little bit more. You'll probably do it about 5 or 6 times. Once you get the threads to the point where it's getting ready to come into the sleeve on the other side, that's where you want to stop, because this is where it's going to make it real hard for you. You get a Dremel and get a grinding stone, and because you hammered on it, it's going to mushroom out. So you don't want that to come into the sleeve. If it does, then you're going to get that bolt wedged in there, and it's not going to come out. Or it's going to give you one hell of a time trying to come out. So what you want to do is ground off the outside edge of that bolt, this bolt on the other side. So that way it's back to the original shape. Of course, this bolt will be trash after you do this method. This is like a last resort. Instead of pounding and pounding and pounding, you ain't going to make that sucker budge. I've seen people use sledgehammers. I've seen people use a torch. There was people that got to the point they got so mad they got frustrated they just took a Zawzall inside there, and then you booger up your swing arm, mess up a whole bunch of other stuff. You might end up hitting some wires, or you may, hit your case and didn't realize it and damaged it. Or you damage your frame, you won't realize it until it's too late. They even took a cutting disc and got in there, and that's just high risk of putting your eye out or injuring yourself or inflicting more damage done to your bike. So this has been the easy, effective way for me, though others may, want to choose to argue and say, you don't know what you're doing. But my point is, I got mine out without doing all that. So this method worked. So hopefully that helps you guys resolve that issue. If you guys like this video, I'll continue making videos like this, instructional how to do stuff like this, just to help lighten your guys' frustration. I'll do the hard work. So all you guys gotta do is follow and make the job easier. If anyone knows an easier or better way, I'm always up for it. So let me know. Have a good one.